Now let's move on to character formatting. So character meaning the text here, we will format that. And the most commonly used commands for formatting the character is the font, or is found in the font section of your home tab. So these commands right here change the character of your text. So this one, or this part right here, is where you can change the font style. So there are available font styles. Beside that is where you can change when you point your mouse, or your mouse point selector on those fonts. You can also see the preview of the specific font that you like, or of the font that you selected, or you hover over. Does it make sense? So yeah. Next is, beside that is the font size. So font size is basically how big your text will be. It's still, again, if you move your mouse over to that, pointer to the size, it will show a preview of how big that size, chosen font size, is. Next, this is the increase button wherein you can increase the font size. So there, from 18 to 20 to 22, or you can also decrease. Next, this is the button wherein you can change your case. So in this case, it is a sentence case wherein the first letter of the sentence is in uppercase, but you can change it all to lowercase. You can change it all to uppercase. See, so, or let's try this one so you will really see. Or you can change it, or you can capitalize each word. See, each word is capitalized, or you can toggle the case. See, or the first letter is a small, or in lower case. It is the opposite of capitalize each word. So that's it. Those are your available options. Now we have, beside that is the clear all formatting. So it removes all formatting from the selection, leaving only the normal unformatted text. So for instance, we will try applying other formattings. So this one is in bold. So you will know that the text is in bold since it is selected. You can also italize it. You can also add underlines. And then for underlining, we have additional options. So you can underline using one line only. You can use 2 lines, especially if you are trying to make a financial statement, diba? So ang imong final na result is dapat naka double line man na siya, diba? So kana pwede nimo siya ma-change diri into nga para double line ang imong makita, or pwede siya dotted or broken line. So you have different options. And then you can also change the color. So ma-change mo ang colors imong underline. So those options are available. Pwede pod na imong text kay naa siya strike through sa tunga. So see, it can also contain, or it can also be a subscript. So this is a subscript symbol, or a superscript. So subscript, kanang magamit na to sa kanang mga math na to ng mga formulas or equations. Then kani pong subscript, kanang same sa mga equations usually, kanang mga exponents nimo. So those are in superscripts. Next is we have text effects. So pwede imong text is na ay outline, na ay shadow. So these are available na options. Ano siya? See, so i-select nimo is na pa jud siya ilaing mga styles pag yun. So there are a lot of options wherein you can stylize your text, or you can change your character. Next is the highlight or text highlighter. So you can change the color of your highlighter. So ana siya. Then na-change siya ang iyang color. Pwede po ito yellow balik. So that's it. And then this one is changes the font color. So you can have your font in blue. Oh, I forgot to select. You can have your font in blue or in red. Diba? So that's it. So muna siya mga available nga formatting options sa imong font. So ato ni try ang clear all formatting. So there ang mahibilin ra is the highlight. So that is it. So those are choices that you have when you are working on a text or a document. So those are in your font section. Now you can also format a text using word art. So word art is a feature that creates decorative effects with text. So for example, you can apply effects to the text by adding shadows, reflection, glow, and so on. So which is already available here in the fonts group. So, diba, we have the text effect, pero pwede sad again, as I mentioned, through word art. So just click on the insert tab, and then you will find the word art in your text group. So here, word art. So kana pakitaan to gihapon to nimo ng mga options. And then once you select a certain style that you want, so here this will appear, or a text box will appear wherein you can type in your text. So see, it applies that, or it shows the text effect that you chose. So that's how you create a word art. Now for your word art, if you will try to select the word art, you will see that a new tab appeared, which is your format tab. So if you click on that, you can make edits or modifications to your word art. So you can edit the shape, you can change the shape fill. So shape meaning the shape of the word art itself. So it is a text box shape. You can change the shape outline. So let's not place that. You can put outlines. Then for the outlines, there are also available a lot of available options. The thickness of your outline, the style of your outline, if you want it dashes or long broken lines, short broken lines, or just simply dots and so on. So you have those options, and you can change the word art style here. So if you don't like what you chose at first, so you can change it to another style. Wait, let me select. Remember to always select before you make changes. So here, if you want to change, so you can change it to a different style. You can also change if you don't like the initial color, but there are initial colors here. So kana siya is example kani is naka-orange siya. So if di ka ganahag orange, you want it green, so you can have the text fill green, then the outline is also try not to black, diba? So you have those options. Then kani is nagyapon kay katong mga text effects. So diba, since naman siya shadow, so if you click on the shadow options here, a navigation pane or a format shape section will appear, and then you can change the color of your shadows. If you want it black, or you can change the transparency of your shadows, the size, blur, angle. So there are a lot of options, formatting options available. So you can change or modify your text also using word art.